Buhpor na Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Greentech Foundation ha ka khandai tarik ya yong arjar arpuhin riyo. Kalalet bantur syakmat Secretariat ban pendong daga Ïakhih bandawa na sorkar ban weng shisendon ban aya ka jaka ha udaw lenong luompong deng ha umnyam ban shna yiki jingte syaki company. Uba binong lang chairman ka Greentech uloong baga Ïakhih galong ka jar namar bakim kwa ban penthut yanu ban ka Ïakhih Shah Thngan Khlem Buhpor kalong tat hadu baga sorkar kan weng ban ay ya ka dega jaka. Uba binong lang ulayat ho bayi ki diang ha uday udaw lenong luompong deng lasdang ban pen Khlem uloong ru baga sorkar kala thok pelen yaki pat ba lingba ka jingkran jongki.
I'm not here to discuss.
Yes.
I'm just here from the district administration to tell you you don't have permission. You don't have permission to protest, so we cannot allow.
Okay.
Because every time there's a protest, there's always a dialogue with the DC, and we give a certain permission with certain conditions.
Okay.
So there's nothing that stops you to protest, but we request you to at least go to the proper channel.
Okay. So can I talk now? I don't think you are the right person to argue with related to the issue of Unyam Island. Okay. So you better tell me where you want exactly to set. Who said that? Okay. Because Nimsham lang det na government. Nila ia kendu ia tourism minister, nila ia kendu ia director jong tourism, nila pak petition show siam, nila dapat raise yang public domain. Henry ka ke bagi isu officially the statement na galing government iong yang iba misinform, mislead. Yeah. We have the RTI everything here. We don't look ikut islaki agreement ya ka bang ni shim ya kana issue. Ay yang ke jaka ka ba hai pinai indefinite hunger strike kanum sangai. La ban le nuru kamlele nama you are not the right person to argue related to this issue. Like I have said, minum don kam ni keren sigun baptisa. Ayangi tang kajaka tang ba. Wat nom ayangi kajaka kabasya jingai. Wat nom ayangi kajaka kabasya lenda. Ayangi kajaka kababiang nginlay. Ladap na ayangi kajaka kababiang kilaban sultan, kilaban syuru. Ra ingi sino. We are happy.
Kesempatan kecakai. To facilitate that, my request is you can just go to the DC office now itself and fix permission.
No, that's not possible.
That of the.
That's not.
Wait, all there are happening in town.
I'll tell
Go
you.
to that channel.
I'll tell you. I'm representing for our organization. Greentech Foundation is an environment organization. Not other. Namun tak kamar ya. The petition kapala sign, the upay ba kala gross more than 5,000 now. Iba oppose yang ni project. Nimkwa banwan yalam i upay ba ni. Nimkwa banwan yalam i members ki volunteers ang ni. Nomor gi perkat i kinung pray office i perkat ya di naskul i perkat ya ki babela bahkan ni galimti kan sakamnya. Ngawan marway. But kini kinung yalam senran na. Ndrei ka plakat ke jungi kalong baik indefinite strike. Send this message to the government that we will not move from here. Ila man lay nakaboru. Ni pedang ya.
Kini democratic rights.
Yes. We know the law. You don't
Just give us a place to sit somewhere.
I'm gonna, for that to be facilitated, I cannot be the one to authorize, but I'm an executive magistrate. Yeah, I see office over there. Meeting over there. That's not